bilateral configuration where you need to think twice, right? Because both the sides you have clasp only two. So antero-posterior also to an extent only is limited. Left-right also is to an extent limited, but rotational is well counteracted. Okay, so this situation is your class 1 lever principle, or class 2 also you can say. You have to convert this into class 2 by placing one additional or two additional indirect retainers. When you place these two additional indirect retainers, okay, what happens? This becomes your load, effort and fulcrum. So this becomes your class 2 lever principle. So you need to convert that class 1 into class 2. So you can add additional clasp assembly anterior to the teeth and shift the fulcrum line. Suppose here is the fulcrum line. Now if you are adding one more clasp, you are shifting the fulcrum line like this. Okay, that you will study better when you are studying about indirect retainer. Right now just understand what is bilateral configuration. Okay.